Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video we will see how to download and install WinHex software. So let's get started. You'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar you need to enter WinHex download. You'll get this first link Xwaves Forensics. Okay, and to select this WinHex. Okay, so this software, it is a computer forensic software made in Germany. So WinHex, it is a computer forensics and data recovery software. It also provides hex editor and disk editor. Okay, so over here we are going to click on the download. It also provides a user manual. Okay, it is a paid and a professional software. If you click on this link, setup has got downloaded. Click on open. Now to start installation of the software, you need to scroll down, click on the setup, double click this file. You'll get a pop-up, select yes. Okay, and you'll be able to see the screen WinX. Okay, this is the latest version 21.8. This is the destination folder where the software will get installed. Select English. Okay, click on OK. This is the path where the software WinX is going to get installed. Click on yes. Create program shortcut. Click on yes. Okay, setup complete. Run program. Click on yes, and it is going to launch this WinX software. Okay, you can click on file and you can open a binary file. Okay, with the edit you get all these options in search, navigation, view, tool. Okay, the specialist tab, options, window, and help. In the help option, you can register your product if you have purchased it. Okay, in help you can also look, you can register the product, you can look for the online newsletters. Okay, and also set up, you can order the full version if you like this software. Okay, so I'll close this for now. You can open the WinX software by clicking on this search and type WinX. This is the app icon. Click on open, and this is going to launch the WinX application. I'll close this for now. That's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.